اخويا عامل ايه الاخبار؟ ايه الاخبار يا اخويا؟ كله تمام. حبيبي يا اخويا، يا رب دايما يا رب. Okay, still looking for bullish delivery here. Very late, I just finished work, guys. Just took a shower and literally on the PC. So we got ES relative equal highs up here. Just want to see NQ come back to this count here. That's what I'm looking for. It's inside the 5-minute busy as well, and the 3-minute busy. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for, guys. Just looking for manipulation lower here, and then we can take a trade higher. Should be an easy day, guys. Allah for it. Nice, nice, nice. Our targets are taken on gold, but we're still respecting the 4-hour busy now. Gold has relative equal lows. Gold has relative equal lows. Yeah, watch out, because gold has relative equal lows here. I think gold might dump somewhere around here. Especially if there's an SMT with silver here. There's no... Oh, wait a second though. Man. Gold has relative equal highs as well. Yeah, I think gold could go higher here. You can look... Let me lower this music, bro. Yeah, I think gold could go higher here. It could go both ways, honestly, but with this 4-hour busy that we're respecting right now, if we close this hourly candle above this busy, so for gold, if we close above this busy here, just close above that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, could be an SMT on the lows, yeah. But the problem is the CFD's chart, you know? Could be both ways, to be honest. Well, let's see this hourly closure here on gold. I want to see how it is. Yo, what's good, Sharky? Long time, brother. How you doing, man? I see you're killing it on Twitter. It's amazing, bro. Keep going, brother. Doing alright. Rubbish day. Great to hear, brother. Rubbish day to break even. Man, a break even means you're managing risk. You're following your plan. That's all that matters, bro. Well done. For real. Well done. That's all that matters, bro. All good, man. A break even is always better than a loss. Fearless. I think it's hot, but let's get it. Yeah, it's very hot. Okay, I'll not try that. I'd rather wait. I like my coffee warm, not hot, so that's why I'm always waiting on it. Man, gold, what do you want to do? Gold. Yeah, shorts, there's not enough room lower. Definitely I agree with that. With this hard time frame especially. But it's just so messy now. I can't even give it correct read on my end here, bro. But longs will be insane as well. There's an SMT on the lows, so let's see, man. NQ is not coming back. Oh, wait a second, guys. I don't want to miss this entry on NQ. Okay, I think. No, probably, yeah. Yeah, come lower. This will be very nice. I really like this idea on NQ. There's an SMT on the lows as well. That's why I really like it as well now. If it does this hourly immediate rebalance, that would be amazing. Otherwise, it's respecting this 5 minutes base here. So we're not in trouble at all. You got relative equal lows now. You gotta take this low first. Even so, there's an SMT, guys. Look at these lows, how close they are. Not taking this trade. Let's look at gold hourly open. Not the scenario I really wanted to see from gold. not taking this trade, guys. I'm gonna wait for the low to be swept because this is engineered sell side. We can't force a trade here. We just gotta follow our system and be process focused, not outcome focused. So I don't really focus. I don't really care about any outcome from this trade. All I care about now is my system being applied perfectly as much as I can. We got a super clear draw there. We got order flow supporting the idea. We're respecting dealing range perfectly here. But we're falling short of a key level. Okay, so when you're falling short of a key level, you can't really force it, you know. Just gotta be patient with it. My brother sent me. So he sent me a trade or something. Send me a reel. Bro, it was one of my hardest days. Because today the weather is so hot and I went with a sweatshirt. What is this in my face? And I went with a sweatshirt and it was so hot, bro. I was sweating very bad. So and I'm so tired. It exhausted my body. To be honest, the weather just killed my body. I came back straight to the shower, made my coffee here, and we're back to trading. This could play out, guys, but I'm staying out of it. Staying out, guys. Waiting. Yeah, Alexander is very cool, bro. I'll come to you, bro. I'll come to you one day. Like maybe I don't know. You tell me when. I don't know when when the weather is good there. But I will come there, bro. Oh. Thank you, Leaves Uzaros. Leaving engineered so engineered sorry guys, I'm very tired. Leaving engineered cell side behind. Being very tired. I wanted to speak about something very important today. Don't use this as an excuse to do bad to yourself or break your rules, or just as an excuse in your journal when you break your rules. Being tired doesn't mean anything. You either win or lose the game, you know? So it's just binary. It's 1 and 0. That's it. There's no oh but You know, there's no but in the equation. There's either you win or lose. So don't let anything be used as an excuse for your bad behavior on the chart. Just try to set rules as much as you can, because I've been like a victim for that for so long. I've been like back then I've been like doing bad on my trading day, and then I'll just put it on work, or I put it on my day or my emotion state. Maybe I should have had a rule at the time to stop me or like keep me away from the charts when I'm feeling bad. So it's just whenever you're feeling bad or you feel like you can't really manage yourself, just don't trade, because there's no excuse for it. There's no excuse for not following your system, not waiting patiently for your setup, for your A+ setup. There's no excuse for it, guys. We want to be winners, so we gotta look in, you know? Oh, that was hot. That I don't like. Anytime, bro, you're broke. Thank you, brother. 100%, bro. Bro. Like, this is the biggest example here, man. Tamu, no excuses at all. He's here every day. He's working every day. He's working overnight, in the morning, all the time. Like, all the time, bro. I'm very proud of you, man. You're killing it. Like, for real. I'm very, very proud of you. You're really killing it, bro. Keep going, man. And don't let anything stop you. Like, for real, you're amazing, brother. MashaAllah. Amazing, man. There's no excuses in business or in life. It's either you win or lose, you know? Just like a chess game. If you lost, you made a mistake somewhere. So, yeah. You gotta stay logged in, man. I didn't want to take these longs here because it's against my plan. Taking longs here. I want to wait for these relative equal lows here. So let's wait. Not me, bro. How you doing, man? Bro, I can't beat you at chess. Or maybe I did one time, right? I need to start studying some games. I need to up my chess game a little bit to compete with you guys. You're so good. You and Shumami are insane. Alhamdulillah. I really like this short here, but it's against the hard time frame order flow. Let's just watch it play. And also ES has relative equal highs. Let's just tape read what it will do, because ES has relative equal highs. But this short is I think it will play out from my past experience. But again, my model, it's against my model, so I can't really enter it. So I'll just wait patiently here, because I know my model will always be correct, and my intuition could be wrong sometimes. Maybe I'm trying to force an idea I want to see in the market, and the market isn't there. So I'll just tip read it with you guys. Love Sharky, man. Yeah, Tamu, you're killing it, brother. I'm very proud of you, man. Also, Sharky is killing it. He's working every day non-stop. You guys are insane, to be honest. Keep going, man. Guys, did you see that? Did anyone see this, guys? Trend line here. I think once we hit this 40-day look back, we can see some great shorts coming to the market, especially at 4 standard deviation here. Thank you so much, brother. I will make a Discord group as well soon, so we can all have a community together, share our ideas together, help each other out. And it will all be free. I don't want to do like subscriptions or anything. Just want to do something free for now. Just so we can have a community together. Later we can do something for our community pay. And all of you guys will be getting it for free. Like, the goal isn't getting money from people. I don't want to like do it that way, to be honest. I could have done it back then in trading. You know, I've been actually posting on YouTube since 2022 or something. But I saw the whole social media thing was just full of courses, full of BS. I paid money to a lot of scammers. I went in a lot of crazy communities, wasted a lot of time trading. Yeah, the community is gonna be free either ways. Don't worry, Sharky. Don't worry, bro. Anything will be free for you, man. You, Macro, and Tamu, and everyone that was here for you. I saw all of these like online people selling a lot of stuff, and yeah, original gangsters. Exactly. I'm not gonna lie, like I was going to work and then I was taking my paycheck, and literally I was going to give my paycheck to other people, literally just to help me learn, you know, because I was just trying my best, you know. I learned from a lot of people online. I learned all of the free content on YouTube, I guess. Watched all of types of trading, and to be honest, nothing worked. Nothing. Like, I'm telling you, like nothing was working, and all of the communities like winning, like the profit that was coming, it was from the people that is paying the subscriptions, etc. Not from the trader himself. Like the trader wasn't even successful. Like, for example, let's say Donvo. I was in, like, I don't know if you guys know him. Are you gonna change your range? Oh yeah. Let's change our range, bro. Good one. Okay, I wanna see that. Yeah, change that macro. I'm just waiting other ways for discount, but I want them to sweep this low. So let's delete this small range. So I want them to take this low. After they take this low, honestly, let's go hard. Because I can't really long when there's relative equal highs here, bro. Relative equal lows, my bad. But yeah, guys, as I was saying, Donvo, for example, scammed his community for $5 million. Like, literally scammed all of his memberships on $5 million. Like, he opened an investing account and told everyone to deposit money. I was in this community, and everyone started depositing money in that account. And he blew this account in overnight. He blew all of their money, and they deposited it in an offshore broker that was affiliated with him, you know. So I don't know if it was an intention scam or he got scammed by the broker himself too. But whatever happened there, he hurt a lot of people. You know, I've seen people like they put in a lot of money from their hard-earned jobs and they lost it. So I took this as responsibility, to be honest, to be here on social media, just trying to push out ideas or pushing out a community. It's a responsibility on me to actually provide something for you guys, not take something from you, like, and not give you something back. So this is something I've learned from my experience here in this field. Like, it's really a responsibility being like a YouTuber or whatever in this space. It's really a big responsibility to be transparent about this journey and not hurt anybody. Like, you should be helping people, not hurting people, you know? Man, in Egypt as well, there is a lot of scammers on trading. A lot of people contact me about that, but can't really do anything. It's crazy. I know people that got scammed a lot of money as well. Are you going to change your... Yeah, I did. Man, it's just pumping non-stop. We're almost after the macro. We're gonna stay till 12:50. It's okay. Gold did nothing as well. Four. Wait, so 4 is 10, right? Wait a second, because he changed the clock. Yeah. Affiliate links are not bad. I think it's okay. Like, it doesn't hurt any side of, you know, of the agreement, either the consumer or the influencer. It just helps the prop firm gain more like money, but at the same time it helps you with a discount, so I don't really think it hurts anybody. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I can do that in the future, yeah. Get some affiliate links going. It would be nice. Very nice. If you need any like discount, I know a friend of mine has, like Tim. I don't know if you know Tim. Yeah, you know Tim, yeah. He has a lot of discounts. I can send you some codes as well. Guys, are you seeing this trend line? That's crazy. Trend line here. 40-day look back. It's monthly high. SMT. No way. It isn't the devil's mark here. Yeah, it's not devil's mark. Just saying it. I wanna see something, guys. Let's take a look at RTH gaps here, and then check it on the continuous contract. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I knew there was an RTH gap that was open here, but I don't know. It wasn't on the continuous, on the normal contract. Let's do that. Okay. Wanna see how this RTH gap works with us here. It does. Oh. Are we that close to the 40-day look back? Yeah, we're very close. There we go. We're at negative 3.5, negative 4 standard deviation. Okay. Okay. Just swept it. Let me do it as I always do. Opacity low. Let's go and grade this weekly wick here. Put it in purple. Low opacity as well. Interesting, NQ. Interesting. Look at this reaction here. It's not right. I know there's a lot of lines in this chart, but let's just analyze this together. I wanna see the C especially here hold. 26 9.75. So if we go here. 2-6, where? Oh, okay. 6. Those are price differences crazy on the hard time frame. Yeah, price difference is actually crazy, and I have contract adjust, and it's that crazy. Two 6.17, yeah, correct. Look at this engineered liquidity, guys. Relative equal lows. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, why is it doing that? 4. So we're actually gonna melt here, I think. Let's wait and see. 1250 macro, okay, guys? Guys, I'll just take a break for a second. I gotta go get like a banana or something. Get my energy up. The coffee actually boosted me a lot. I will go get some water and banana and I'll be back, okay, guys? I'll be back in a sec. Yo, what is Enki doing? Why is it leaving us? We wanted to take the short, thank you. Come on. Ah, man. NQ is being NQ. I think it will come down all the way here, guys. Not even joke. Bro, it's sweeping all of the clean liquidity. Like, look at these lows. Gone. Look at these lows. They'll be gone now. Look at these lows. They'll be... We're left with nothing. Come on, NQ. Give us something. Leave something for us. Okay. There's something weird happening here. And it's one of these occasions that you don't really know what to do. I'll need your help here, guys, because I don't have a lot of experience with that, because I've been a CFD trader for my whole life. Futures is a new thing for me. Like, it has been 2 years futures now, so nothing nothing crazy, but look at these highs, okay? February, 3 highs. They're swept on the continuous contract. Yeah, they're swept. But look on the current contract, they're not swept. So, what would you do here? Oh man, let's just go with the current contract and call this engineering by side. Oh, wait a second, I think I have a mistake here. Oh boy. Yeah, I think we had a mistake, guys. Wait a sec. What is February high? Okay. Yeah, that's February high. Where's February high here? That's February high. Bro. Oh my god, what is wrong with it? Thank you. I might have something. It's all electronic, right? It's all electronic. Okay. Yeah, I like the buy side liquidity as well. I think we will go higher, guys. Still have the buy side liquidity here. It's 261. Yep. Nice one, micro trader. 264 as well. Just gotta find our dealing range now. Which we're ready. Bro, was it? Need to get my head around a lot of things here. I had the RTH gap on, huh? Man, I was wrong. I know there was something wrong with the charts. But what low is this? 826? 902, okay. 902 SMT. Okay. So there's obviously SMT here. Okay. Okay. Could see something like this, guys. Which will not be ideal because we're already in EQ here. You want to see how price trades off here. So So it's either this. So we got two possible scenarios now. A spooling macro. Okay, this is a spooling macro. Or, but you need, oh, wait a second. You can't have a spooling macro here because you still have relative equal lows. So what you want to see is another push lower. Then a spool and then a macro Po3. Or you want to see continuation lower here. Then a reversal back up. So it's one of these two scenarios, guys. So it can be a spooling macro. Why? Because we have relative equal lows. So as always, we gotta wait for these lows to get taken. If we leave these lows, here we can take a long. Can we take a short? No, because order flow is still bullish. Unless order flow shifts before the macro, I'll actually go for shorts. But right now we are still looking for longs. Yeah, gold is off as I told you, bro. Like, I can't even get a good read on it. And when I can't get a good read, I think it's low probability day because I'm always framing sides. And if I can frame an idea for both sides of the market, that means this market is most likely low probability. Or I'm wrong, basically, so. Gold wasn't it today, to be honest, bro. You can see the bearish order flow here on the 5 minute coming into play. We wanted to take this short as I told you guys, next macro, but whatever. Whatever happens, happens, man. Q's destroying all of our trade ideas. Complete destruction here. Complete destruction by NQ, guys. This is already busy high here. Bearish order flow in price. Super bearish here. But I want to see this 5-minute fair value gap hold. In discount. We want to see discount P raise basically hold this 15-minute continuous gap as well. If they hold price, most likely we continue through. We continue going higher. If they fail to hold price there, all of these discount P raise here, I think we still have one more. Okay. Let me do that. What do you mean NM? About to be taken? I don't understand, bro. Bros, they have taken all of the liquidity we just marked, guys. Wanted to take them during 12:50. All of them are gone. So yeah, we saw these shorts going on. There she goes. Now we want to see Polish BDR's hold price start to see some support going from these Polish BDRs. If they fail to do so, oh, okay, never mind. Yeah. Oh, he said equal lows left on NQ. Yeah. I just want to see Polish BDRs hold now. You caught a short on EOS? Damn. Yeah, that was unlucky, bro, if you didn't hold that. I'm looking this. Extends project. Do this. I'm marking out all of the possible bullish BD raise to start analyzing price here. I want to see the bullish BD raise, support price, confirms order flow is still bullish, and we are just reaching for discount here, cleaning out some sell side liquidity left behind in the launch macro, and then possibly going for the reversal. And this is not reversal. That's what I'm trying to confirm. Because if this is an inversal, if this is a reversal here, I think we'll go all the way lower, especially to this low here. Okay, brother. Thanks so much for being here, Tamu. And yeah, have fun, bro. Just today I didn't trade at all, bro. That's perfect. That's perfect. That shows you're very disciplined and don't let that get in your head that you're 1% away from passing the account. It's okay, man. Like tomorrow is gonna be more trades, and we're gonna pass this account. Keep me tuned about yours. Okay, bro, for sure. I'll send you on Instagram. Thank you, brother. Just don't force a trade, okay? Don't force anything. Try to lock your account if you can, because I know you're done trading, so don't try to force it, okay? Take care, bro. Beautiful reaction at discount here, not even reaching into the lower OP mean threshold, rejecting this continuous one here on the 5-minute as well. That is telling us we're bearish, we're bullish so far. No worries, Tim, we're one family, brother. I want to see this 5-minute busy get reclaimed here. If they reclaim this busy here, the 5-minute, there we go, they did. Okay, perfect. Let's check for SMT on EOS because I wasn't paying attention. We don't have an SMT, right? Yeah, new SMT is fine. Yeah. No, but this low is an SMT. Alright. Not trading. Not trading, no. Okay. Take care, brother. 5-minute reclaimed busy here. 15-minute wick here. I want to see how they use quadrants as well. We have an order block here, but it will be a spooling macro entry, which is very risky. I would rather wait for this inversion right here. When the bullish order flow is confirmed, we would take a long up into there. Let's leave this trend line for now. Take this hourly busy. Maybe put in the 8s. Nope. Look at this reaction here. That's why I'm not entering off anything here. The real change in state of delivery will be this macro inversion. Waiting for manipulation below macro opening price, SMT. Ideally, I didn't want to see them go back below this 5-minute reclaim basic for a continuation macro or a spooling macro. If bodies close back below it, it's not really good. Let's just wait and see. SMT at the lows here. Powerful. Five-minute Devil's Mark on the 1225 candle. Let's take a look. Yeah, this one here. Oh, I think I spotted it. Yep. Nice one, bro. Devil's Mark. I didn't see that. There's, I think, a Devil's Mark here as well. They might be going for it. Let's see. If we drop lower here, we create an SMT. Which we already have here. No, the lighting is very bad. Let me fix that. Pump my chair here. Okay, let's pay attention now. Volume kick again. Low volume coming in. Can't really see it. Devil's Mark. Okay. This SMT is useless now. Yes, relative lows. Here's the volume. Five-minute busy holding strong. We like this. Oh my bad, bro. Let's click on it by mistake. Okay. 3 W's. Perfect, bro. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Well done, well done. Amazing. So proud of you, man. Just take it off now. Don't try to force anything, okay? Well done, brother. Amazing. Okay, this is useless on price now. Lock your account, bro. Macro property version. Let's keep them here. Photography. Manipulation power, macro opening price. Go super clear draw. Respecting dealing range. Confidence of any thing about my repeater signatures. Okay, guys, I really like this setup. Checking was my checklist. I'm all in for it. Waiting for this confirmation. I want to see this as a breakaway gap, ideally. No, it doesn't use it. This gap here should be a breakaway gap if we're actually bullish. Sorry for. New hourly open, 13 opening. Right of the hourly PC, we closed above it, which is very nice, showing bullish order flow, willingness to continue higher. Same thing with the 15-minute, closed above the 15-minute busy. We wanted to see closing above, which is this discount PD ray. Now what you want to do is grade this hourly wick. I want to see a reaction from this hourly wick. I don't want to see bodies closing inside this gap. I want to see strong bullish order flow. Yeah, no bodies closing in this gap, okay? Lower wick here. Not in yet. I'm not in yet, guys. I'm still waiting for this inversion. Bodies haven't closed above, so we're still waiting. Okay. We're not in the trade yet. Still waiting. Nice respect to this discount wick here. I want to see them continue pushing price higher using this low this sell side resistance as support levels as well. Okay, we're about to get in the trade. Okay, I'm in. Okay, guys, we're in this trade here. Let's see how it plays out. it's ripping. It should be good. Yes, sir. We're doing great. Great longs here. Follow the process. That's all I care about. I don't really care about the outcome at this point, guys. Just care about following the process. And yeah, this year is ours, man. This year is ours, Sharky. We're really gonna take over. It's really... The trade is looking very clean. I like how it's utilizing all of this support levels here. God, where is it? Quadrant space, okay. Going break even once we close above this SEBI. Not your Siri. So I really like this closure here inside this little gap between these wicks. Now what you want to see from the market is a closure above CE. Utilize it as support after closing back above the 25% of this SEBI. Same thing with the 75%, the high, just liquidity. Continue hard to the devil's mark and the engineer buy side. I love how the bodies here are just closing, respecting this little gap between these wicks. Tiny S&T here. Okay, let's give this a minute. There we go. Closure above the 25%. here. Now we want to see closures above 50% now, and them not going below 50% of this wick. Very nice reaction from the CE of this wick. We just marked out. Just hope it continues here. I'm reading bullish order flow in the price. Beautiful breaker and inversion. Respecting bullish order flow here. Just want to see continuation higher now. Guys, this is perfect here. Look at this beautiful example here. Bodies are closing above the upper quadrant while we're rejecting from the CE or the midpoint of this wick. That's telling you we're still bullish here on the lower time frames. So ideally this should continue higher. With an SMT as well. You have an SMT here. That makes it very high probability low here on the lower time frames to continue higher. I'm just trying to break down this lower time frame with you guys while we're waiting for the trade to play out. Here we go, the highs are taken. This was a lower time frame model right there. Now I want to see the CE. I want to see us go up and close above the CE and continue higher. We will only go break even once we close above this SIBI, guys. Didn't reach up to see yet. Look at this volume imbalance here. That is in the lower quadrant of this base as well. Closing above it. This volume imbalance here, guys. I want to see bodies stay above that. And the market is just messing with us. It's so slow here. Volume is dying. Could see an institutional order flow fail here, but we're waiting this consolidation to end by 13:30, maybe the PM open. We can see some volume, but I'm trying to be patient here and just wait patiently for the PM open here and 1350 macro, which would would send us higher. Markets don't reverse from consolidations, so after this reversal happened, we consolidated. We'll either expand or retrace, so it's not a big deal here for me. I love a consolidation here when it's coming from my expansion or from reversal. I think we could still continue higher here. Watching this wick once more. What is closing above 50% still? Another closure above 50% of this week, guys. Look where we're also closing. We're closing above the relative equal lows, the sell side liquidity we had marked out from over here. So basically we're respecting relative equal lows, sell side liquidity, which will be used as support as I explained, along where does it align with? The 50% of this wick right here. I want to see another closure above the volume imbalance and a closure above 50% of this basic. That's what goes through my mind. I'm just trying to break it down for you guys, just to have fun while we're waiting for the trade to play out. Even if it's a loss, we're just studying the market here, executing, following our system, collecting data, and what works, what doesn't work for the future. We're always playing the long game, not just the short game. We're here to stay. Got a very nice closure above the volume imbalance here, but we're in consolidation as I explained, so I don't want to see us come back down. I want to see us expand now, ideally, but into this lower time frame relative equal highs, right below the midpoint of this busy. Let's see. Yeah, I think it will go up there. There we go. Took this highs. Midpoint of the busy tagged. Closure above. Perfect. Now we want to see them respect this CE. Push higher. Close above 75%. Close above this busy. Utilize sell side liquidity once more as support, like we will do here right now. And continue higher into our draw liquidity. Okay. Oops. Oopsies. No way, bro. There we go. First partial is about to be hit. Oh, he trailed so aggressively, macro. But it's okay, brother. It's okay. I mean, getting stopped out break even is much better than taking a loss. So you're managing risk at the end of the day. You tried doing the good thing, but you just gotta be careful when you're managing risk aggressively, or you know, because that can happen to you as well. As I've been like repeating myself over and over again, I'm not moving my stop loss unless we close above this basic. I was trying to. Nice. Did he secure like a partial, or what do you mean it was a winning trade? Yeah, it was a winning trade at the end of the day, but he trailed the stop loss aggressively, which isn't bad. It's a very good lesson for the future. You're not taking a loss, you're taking a small win, which is very good at the end of the day. You should journal it as that you're very proud of yourself for trying to manage risk, trying to manage your position. Just try to manage it less aggressively going forward. And that's it. But you're doing great, brother. It's all good, man. Don't try to tell, don't try to chase now. Please, like, I've hurt myself chasing so much. Please don't try to chase. More trades will be here, and we will always get a second trade. You can see every stream we're getting trades, every stream. So there will always be more trades. Please don't overtrade, okay, brother? There's no need to. Like, literally, there's no need to overtrade, okay? I also know you're a very good trader, so I know you will do it probably, bro. Oh, actually, I hit 1-to-1 here. Okay. Not bad, not bad. I had my 1-to-1 a little bit higher, I don't know why. Yeah, I had it in the wrong price. Okay. Need to correct it now. I want to see this candle now close above this 75%, then utilize it as support to go higher. You can see how we're utilizing this relative equal low right here, this sell side liquidity as support. This is why I have kept them on the charts along with these quadrants. You need to look at that while you're studying the order flow, but just reading this order flow doesn't mean like your trade is gonna win. You need to understand where the higher time frame is heading first, because you can get really surprised by the higher time frame and get sudden moves on the 1 minute time frame. So to prevent that from happening, you need to understand higher time frame context. Where is the higher time frame PD array setting at? Which stage are we in the higher time frame? And what is the order flow on the higher time frame? Once you get a hang of that, you can start reading the 1 minute. But before reading all of this 1 minute order flow, like I'm reading, this tiny wicks, all of that, volume imbalances, basic quadrants, you need to understand the hard time frame PD arrays, hard time frame order flow, because all of that doesn't mean anything if the hard time frame is actually bearish. You know, if the hard time frame is bearish, all of this is just wasting time. You'll get stopped and you'll try to second guess yourself, second guess the concepts, you know. But it's all working. You just gotta do it the right way. I want to see a reaction here within this next 2 minutes. I want to see an aggressive push higher. There we go. Continue. There we go. Push a little higher. First partial will get hit in a second. Nice. We just took a partial here, guys. Secured one contract here. I'm in with 3 contracts. This is first partial right here. Stop loss is still not a break even. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Tamu. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. Nice. Okay, guys. Moving my stop loss to break even right now on NQ. Stop loss is moved at BE here. Okay. This should run higher all the way up to this highs. Taking profits at another partial right here at 1 to 2. And I will leave the rest running, which is 1 contract higher. Nice. Yeah, half day, bro. Thank you, Sharky. Amazing long on ES as well. Congratulations, brother. There we go. We're running, guys. Yo, what's up, Dendrix? Thank you. Okay, trade is running. About to hit the second partial, guys. At exactly 237.50. And we will leave one running till half day. Yes, already have an SMT there with the half day. So I don't want to see deep retracements. What is it doing here? It's going back to this busy high basically, guys. Rejecting of this busy high, as you can see. You also got a 5-minute inversion here. 15-minute Po3 versus value gap. Let's wait and see, guys. We have a hard time frame SMT and the SMT on the high of day, so we don't want to see deep retracements here. It is busy. Ideally, you want to see a reaction from EQ of this range right there, and then continue higher. We're back at the first presentation gap here of the PM session. I want to see the reaction here at the EQ level. We're in the 5-minute busy inversion. Almost. Okay, we're in the inversion now. It's okay. Nice closure above EQ there. I want to see us reclaim this first presentation for value gap of the PM session. Okay. Got 8 seconds on this closure. Nice. Still closing above C of this busy. Second guys. Yo, 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 NQ. Stop playing with us, man. Oh, this SMT might have been it, guys. Anyways, my stop loss is at break even. We have no risk in this trade, okay? Just making sure everyone knows this. I have no risk here. Stop loss is at B, so. I think the next macro will be a pulling macro, guys. I'm really sorry for this noise, guys. It's the street here. It's annoying. I think next macro will be a pulling macro to the upside. Let's wait and see. If we reclaim this 130, first presentation before the next macro, I think we'll actually pull to the upside. Just journaling this trade while I'm with you guys, so don't waste time. Yeah, the price is so clean, man. I'm holding. Let's see. We didn't get 1 to 2 partial, but we got 1 to 1 partial. I'm holding for 1 to 2 partial, and then we will hold one more, like very little portion of the position, run to the hard time frame. We want to see a closure above this first presentation gap. Where is it? Above this first presentation gap. And then go up here, close above CE, continue on. That's what I want to see, guys. I want to see this candle close above this first presentation gap. I hope it delivers too, though, Prius, but bro, like I told you, man. Like, hopefully it delivers for both of us and everyone in the trade. Just partials are important, but you can hold till 1 to 2. If you're not gonna take any partials, just go out at 1 to 2. Don't hold like crazy. Okay. But I still think we're very good here in this trade. I like this price action. Just not the best after the SMT, but I'm reading clean order flow. Like, it's not the cleanest, but I mean like clean bullish order flow. So that's all that matters, is bullish. So that's all that matters. As I explained, once we close above here, so close above here with this candle, you want to see us close above this BC as well as CB at the same time. Nice. There. You want to see us push higher now, close above the CE here, continue higher. What is this CE? It's the C of this CB here. Okay. I'm writing everything down that happened during this trade in my journal. Guys, I'll go grab water and I'll be back, okay? Should be pushing hard. I'll be back in a second. Nothing happening. Just waiting here. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. 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 Whoa, what's happening? You got some news coming in, guys? Whoa. Whoa, okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Almost at second TP. Oh. What? It missed my second. Okay, okay, it's all good. It hit my second TP here, but straight away I was moving my thing while it was moving, so my limit. It's all good. Wanted to close it manually. Let's wait and see. I'll take my partial at this wick high, and then we'll leave the rest running other ways to the highs. Love that. We can actually add in the position here as well. 1 second. 30, yeah, 25, that's right there. Can add 2 contracts here. I just go in with 2 more contracts. For another trade up here. A big one for 1-to-1 on this one, which is almost above here. This wicket. Don't worry, yeah, don't worry, bro. Don't worry, I've trained for this so long. Something. This is something. This is another macro P3 trade here. That's why I added into my position. Okay. We're running 2 trades now. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I'm so happy that you secured this wins, man. Thank you, brother. Stay safe. Makes me so happy, man, that you just said you won. So proud of you, man. See you tomorrow, brother. So proud of you. Keep killing. Guys, what did we say? Closure above CE, retest CE, and then push higher. What are you seeing here? Closures above CE, then we're retesting CE, then a push higher right now towards 226 will be a safe zone. 226 right there. I don't know if we are gonna win this trade, but I know that I'm following my process and I'm very proud of myself. Nice, another closure above CE here on the 1 minute. You'd really want to see bullish candles now. You don't want to see closures below CE once more. Perfect, guys. These closures are perfect. Want to see expansion higher now. We will take a big partial here at this 1-to-1. Keep going, NQ. Keep going. Closure above 226 here would be beautiful. Alhamdulillah, this is so far one of my best trades on stream. If not the best trade, this is the best trade on stream. Let's just secure it and we'll go over it. There we go, first partial out. Okay. One partial here. Second partial, I'm sorry. It's not first. This is your third partial at 245. And let's see. I took a partial here, perfect. Secure the partial here. Moving stop loss here to break even on the remaining two contracts. So far we have secured 4 partials. Two, 2, 6, 4 is our draw, as you guys know. But we can split it into 2. I'll take one at 2264 and one at 258.50. Thank you, brothers. Thank you so much. That's how we do it, man. This is real trading, guys. Real trading. Everything is live. Everything is documented live. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. I'll take partial at 258 and I'll hold another one to 281 there. If you wanna go out fully, you can now, or you can hold till 281. I'm sorry, you can at 258, or you can hold till 281 with me. It's a risky hold, just reminding you. I'm doing it just following my system, okay? Push higher, man, come on. Let's get it, NQ. Yes, sir. Dobris, we're the best traders, you know, man. Okay, first partial is about to go off at 258. Yep, exactly, macro trader. You called this level out, man. That's all good, brother. I don't want you to get mad about it. I know you got stopped. Yeah, I know, bro. It's all good, brother. I know you really tried your best there. Trailed. It's just another lesson in the book. I've made this mistake many, many times before, and I've learned this lesson very hard. And my key takeaway from that is not moving my stop loss to break even or trailing it unless there's a reason to do so. So, for example, what reasons I follow? For example, for break even levels, I'll tell you like my system. I usually wait for a break even, for an inversion fair value gap or a swing high, swing low at 70% of my take profit at 1 to 1, at 70% of my trade to hit 1 to 1. If the inversion fair value gap is close to there, that's where I put my, that's where, if it forms, I put my stop loss to break even. That's one thing. Second thing, I only trade my stop loss to swing highs and swing lows once they're swept. So for example, if we formed the low inside drawdown, and then you took the highs that formed this low, now you can move your stop loss beneath that low. Okay, because if you're actually bullish, you shouldn't be going back to that low, you know? So that's how I do it. That's actually my full system right there for managing the trades. I don't even do anything else, bro. The rest is just partials, take profit, that's it. But I try not to move my stop loss very risky, very aggressive behind my trade. I try to put more trust in my trades, leave some room for it to breathe, because I've been hurt a lot by cutting my trades short when they should have been running, you know? So what I do now is I only move my stop loss at an inversion fair value gap that is far away from my take profit, that's far away from my entry by 70% or 0.7 R. If this inversion fair value gap is far off my entry by around 0.6, 0.7, I put my stop loss to break even there, or an NWOG or a first presentation reclaim, whatever it is. Okay, just a key signature and price that it's going in my direction, and it won't come back to my entry. That's one thing. Second thing is a swing high or a swing low sweep, like liquidity sweep at 0.6 or 0.7 of your tick from your entry, you know. That's what I do with macro PS3, and it has been working with me so far, so good. That's completely it, brother. You're out. Nice door, Prius. Nice, nice, nice. Yes, sir. Rinse and repeat, man. Okay, I don't really like this. It digging deep into that Bessie. I want to see a strong closure above this Bessie, and I don't like to see these closures below Devil's Mark as well. Just holding here. I think it's still bullish for us, guys. We got better lights. Nice, nice Dobris. Yeah, call it a day, brother. Call it a day. Nice one. Dobris is up 7% on his challenge. That is crazy to me, guys. Crazy. Well done, brother. No, I don't stream Asia or London. I only stream New York AM session, brothers. That's what we do, man. That's New York AM, sometimes PM, like today. Been in a trade for so long. Took 2 trades here. I really want to hold this one here. Yeah, Dobris, don't repeat any mistakes, brother. Just call it a day. Please, call it a day, bro. 7% is huge. 7% on one trade or 8%? I don't know. How much you made this trade? 9%? It's crazy, man. Yeah, please close your account, man. Please. It's already at TP, it's already in premium, so there's no entries here other than shorts, which will come tomorrow, maybe. We don't know. Or maybe all-time highs tomorrow. We'll see. I want to see big expansion higher from here. We don't want to see any move lower. Oops. Okay. That's all good. Let me free some space for the recording. Somehow there's no space for my recording. Come on, bro. just freed more space. Whoa, very nice trade, guys. Another partial here, guys. Fully close this first position here. Perfect. We're letting the rest run to 281, okay? We're only in with one contract now. Stop loss is at break even, as you guys know, for this one contract. I want to see expansions in the next two candles, two 1 minute candles. I want to see this remain as a breakaway gap and us to expand higher. Okay. We're fully out, guys. Fully out here. Let's go, man. We're fully out of this trade. Secured my biggest winning day on this account. 25k account. 50%. There you go. Consistency rule. Thanks so much for everyone that joined us during this trade. Hope you gained some knowledge from this trade. It was a great trade, not gonna lie. My best trade. Stayed so patient here today, waiting for this trade, and we got rewarded. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Gotta follow your system and don't get stuck in the 1 minute. You gotta understand where's the hard time frame order flow is going. What is liquidity? What is drawn liquidity? What is hard time frame context? What's the order flow? You need to align all of this story together, you know? And when you align all of this story together, that's how you can get these precise entries. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Tam. Thank you, brother. Alhamdulillah, it has been a great day. Let's pass this account this week. And yeah, we kill it. 2 trades secured. TP hit. See you in another one. Peace out, guys.